Hi guys, Over's caught wood again. Just going to wander up the slope a bit so I can give the cardboard glider another test fly. When I was flying it last time, I managed to break it quite a bit in the usual places. Just here and just there. It's got a fiberglass spar at the bottom there which held it together, but it was still just bending around up here. So we've now got two very thin carbon fibre spars going up through the cardboard tubes and going right the way through here. So that should have stiffened it up quite a bit. So I just want to give it a little gentle test flight to see if my repairs have worked. Doesn't feel like there's any wind today. Oh, yes there is. Just a little. Right, looking at the tail, where I've glued it back together, we're going to get a right turn instead of a left. So if I launch it that way, it'll probably go that way. Ah. Well, that's surprising me, but then I did a lot of trimming last time to try and get it to turn left. So I expect the trimming that I've got on there is doing the left turn, whereas that angle is trying to straighten it up again. Let's try it a bit the other way then. Level glide. No. No, I think what's happening is this is softening up under here. That's why we're twisting. So we'll have to stiffen that up. Caught the wind. Oh, yeah, glue's come loose there, I think. summary, well, we got some reasonable glides out of it, but I think we're going to have to do another bit of modification to stiffen this bit up here, because it's now twisting the whole body the wrong direction. So I need to add some stiffening under there. Possibly put some bits of cardboard with the grain going directly upwards so it doesn't crush down so easily. And we need a bit more glue in there because the carbon fibre in that end has to come loose.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.